Hope everyone's doing really well today. It's me, Lisa, and I'm here with a really special, cool book. It's called All Except Axel. And we want to dedicate this book to Avery and to all the children who love cars. The author of this book is Lowell, Gallion, and the illustrations are by Lisa Manuzak Wiley. And illustrations mean pictures. Yeah, so let's take a look. Whoa, look at all these tire tracks. This must be a car going fast. Here's the title page again. It says, All Except Axel. Oh. The car assembly plant hummed with excitement. Look at this car. I see a blue one and a yellow one in the back. And what's happening? It looks like they're being buffed. Oh, this car up here, the orange one, says, line up by make and model. Oh, so make is like the car brand and model is like the type. Cool. Nice pictures. Nice illustrations. Oh, is this car smiling? Hey, cool. Should we turn the page? Oh, wow. It says, the new cars raced into place. Wow, look at all these new cars racing into place. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 places that they can park. All except one. Oh, all except one? So all the cars get to race into place except one car. Oh, Axel. This must be Axel. Now, the other car had a smile. Axel kind of looks like they have a frown. Yeah, I wonder why. Let's find out. Whoa, a car transporter! We have one of those at East End Children's Center. I wonder if Axel or any of the other children who love cars have a car transporter toy at home. It says the cars rolled onto the transport truck. Cool. Load 'em. Load 'em. Turn the page. Oh. All except one. Axel. Oh, I wonder why they're all loading up except Axel. Vroom! Should we try that sound effect again? Vroom! This word is called an onomatopoeia. Or onomatopoeia, and that's because the word is spelled and sounds like the noise it makes. Vroom, vroom. The transport trucks rumbled away. There they go. Oh, one's on the highway. One's going toward the city. Yeah, cool. All except, oh, who do you think? All except who? All except ... Oh, okay. It says, Erlene and her passengers, they were waiting for Axel. Oh, this must be Erlene. And Erlene is waiting for Axel to come on the transport truck. Axel coughed. I think I'm out of alignment. I think you're stalling, said Erlene. You can do it, Axel, called the other cars. Axel hesitated. Erlene didn't. Honk! Vroom! Whee! Hey, there's another onomatopoeia. When they hit the highway, the cars loved the wind on their backs. They leaned into the twists and turns, all except Axel. He felt carsick and worse. Splat! Oh no, it looks like all the bugs are splatting on Axel's windshield. Turn the page. At the dealership, the cars couldn't wait to explore. All except Axel. He hurried back up Erlene's ramp. "Let's go back to the plant," he whispered. "Let's go back to the plant." "We'll see about that," said Erlene. Vroom. Turn the page. But when they got on the highway, Erlene didn't turn toward the plant. She veered in the other direction. "What you need is practice," she said, and pulled off at a truck stop. Honk! Oh, this sign says truck stop. This must be the truck stop. Axel crawled down the ramp. He practiced right turns, left turns, and U-turns. Vroom! He slowly circled the truck stop. "Time for more miles on those tires," Elaine said. "Follow me." Vroom! Hi, Laura. Hi, Laura's watching us. Let's give her a wave. Flatlands. Axel tried to keep up. Foothills. The slope grew steeper and steeper. Ooh. Mountains. At the top, they stopped to rest. "Let's stay and enjoy the view," said Axel. "But Axel, it's all downhill from here," Erlene said with a smile. Remember this word? Vroom! Down they drove. Axel trailed far behind. The road curled and curved. Suddenly, Axel smelled something burning ahead. "Erlene!" Screech! Hiss! "Oh no! My brakes!" shouted Erlene. Erlene rocketed up a runway. Truck ramp. Gravel flew. Axel skidded to a stop. "I've got a flat. I need help," Erlene sputtered. The highway was deserted, but Erlene needed a tow truck. Could Axel continue alone? As he started back up the mountain, Axel's engine strained. His temperature gauge rose. But this time, when he reached the top, he kept on going. He raced down, straight to the truck stop for help. And Axel led a tow truck down to a grateful Erlene. "Nice job, kid," the tow truck said. "She needs a new tire, but she'll be fine. Want to ride back to town?" "No thanks, I can drive," said Axel. "Then we'll follow you," said Erlene. Look at Axel speeding up ahead. The open road called, especially for Axel. Aw, what a great book. So at first it was all except Axel, but then the open road was calling for Axel. Cool. So this is the cover. And this is the back cover. Awesome. What a cool book. Neato. All except Axel. Well, I hope you all really enjoyed this book. Yeah. And if you'd like to know more, it looks like there are some email addresses on the back that you could check out, or rather some landing pages if you can Google them. Yeah, and maybe you can find out more books by the author and the illustrator. Cool. All except Axel. Vroom, vroom. Hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy your weekend, everyone. Bye.